Imagine you're watching a live stream, right? Someone is just expertly moving through this huge, complex video game world, making all the right moves, completing objectives, adapting on the fly. You'd think, wow, this person is a seasoned pro.
But what if I told you that's not a person at all? That behind all that incredible gameplay, there are no human hands on a keyboard, no one holding a controller.
Yup, what you're watching is an AI. Its name is SIMA 2. And today, we're going to break down exactly why this is such a huge leap forward.
So what is this thing really? Well, at its heart, SIMA 2 is an AI built to operate inside of these incredibly complex 3D virtual worlds. And you should think of these less like simple games and more like these sophisticated digital sandboxes where an AI can actually truly learn. Now, the key thing to get here is that SIMA 2 isn't just following some pre-programmed script, it's an agent. That means it has agency, the ability to see its environment, make its own decisions, and then take action. It's actually learning and reasoning all on its own. And that ability to reason? That's what really sets SIMA 2 apart from everything that's come before. We're talking about a massive leap beyond just simple, repetitive tasks and into a whole new level of digital intelligence. Let's just put this into perspective for a second, because this is where you really see the jump. You know, earlier AIs, they were specialists. They could get incredibly good at one specific task in one specific world. But SIMA 2 is a generalist. It can handle these really complicated multi-step objectives, and this is the real game changer, it can adapt its skills to brand new worlds it has never, ever seen before. So let's look at what it can do. It can navigate these complex worlds and handle tasks with a bunch of different steps. It also understands what are called multimodal prompts, which just means you can tell it what to do with images or even your voice, not just text. And in what is just an absolute game changer, it can actually explain its own thinking and tell you what it plans to do next. This all leads us to the most powerful idea behind this whole project. SIMA 2 is basically a perpetual student. It isn't just taught, it actively teaches itself. It all works because of this self-improving loop. The AI plays in a virtual world, and by playing, it develops new skills. Then it takes those skills and tries to apply them in a completely new environment. From there, it just improves and repeats the whole cycle, getting more and more capable each time. And this is the absolute core of it. The more SIMA 2 plays, the better it becomes, all without a human programmer needing to step in and tweak the code. This is true autonomous learning, which is a massive step toward creating a generally capable AI. This quote just nails it. It's not about mastering one game, it's about building a foundation of knowledge that it can transfer, taking what it learns in one virtual world and applying it to the next, and the next. The potential for growth here is just exponential. So, why do all this? I mean, why spend so much time and effort making an AI that's amazing at playing games? Well, because the games are just the training ground. The real goal is much, much bigger than that. It's a totally fair question. Why not just train it in the real world from the start? What makes these digital playgrounds so special? Well, the answer is that virtual worlds are the perfect simulator. They're a completely safe place for an AI to learn and fail without any real-world consequences. They're responsive, giving it instant feedback, and they can be endlessly changed up, offering all the novelty and unpredictability of our own world. And that brings us to the ultimate vision. SIMA 2 isn't just some milestone for gaming AI. It's a foundational step towards creating an AI that can be a helpful partner for any task, anywhere. And that includes, one day, our own physical world. This really leaves us with a powerful final thought. For so long, learning has been a uniquely biological process. But now, we're building systems that can learn on their own, through experience, just like us. So the real question isn't just about what SIMA 2 can do today, but what will we all end up building with an AI that can truly learn?